In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Calendar colors. This simple tutorial will guide you through the steps to customize the colors of your calendar events, making it easy to organize your schedule and quickly identify different commitments at a glance. Whether you're looking to brighten up your screen or improve your productivity with better visual cues, changing your Google Calendar colors is a quick and straightforward process. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Google Calendar. You can do this by heading to the website or using the mobile app on your device. For this tutorial, we'll focus on using the web version as it typically offers the fullest range of features. Once you've signed into your account, you'll be greeted by your calendar view, typically showcasing a month or week layout. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the My Calendar section. Here you'll see a list of the different calendars associated with your account. Hover your mouse over the calendar you wish to change. This will prompt additional options to appear. It's a great way to manage the visibility of different commitments, especially if you have many calendars for various parts of your life, like work, personal, and family. You'll notice an icon, commonly referred to as the More menu, appearing next to the calendar's name as you hover over it. Click this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various settings and options you can adjust. From this drop-down menu, you'll see a palette of colors available for selection. These preset options are a quick and easy way to give your calendar a fresh look. Simply click on the color you like best, and all events in that calendar will instantly update to this new hue, creating a visual distinction that can help improve your organization. However, if the preset palette doesn't have the color you're envisioning, don't worry. Google Calendar allows for further customization. Simply click the plus custom color option within the drop-down. This feature enables you to enter any hex or RGB color code. This is especially useful if you're aiming for a cohesive theme that matches other digital tools or brand colors. Once you've entered your desired custom color, the change will be applied immediately to all events within the selected calendar. And there you have it. Your Google Calendar now boasts the vibrant or subtle colors of your choosing, making your schedule both practical and visually appealing. These changes bolster productivity by allowing you to quickly decipher the type of events you have just by glancing at their color. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this makes managing your time a little bit more colorful and efficient. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.